So the first question that I have, it's not really a question, it's just to introduce yourself, your name, and then tell us the title and the job that you had at Teraflow when you were with us.
My name is Sahil Parsotam. I was a data engineer working at Teraflow.
So in your opinion, what do you think made your Teraflow experience unique and different to any other company that you've worked within?
I think for me, it was definitely the people. The people made the company, like the work environment, like amazing to be a part of. I would wake up in the morning and be like, okay, I'm a part of Teraflow. It's an amazing company, and you just have engaging conversations with everyone that I've engaged with. The team events that I would be at, we had engaging conversations. I enjoyed the social aspect of it as well. Like we had the football tournament, and that was quite nice. But then also, like, apart from being engaging, the work was quite complex and quite motivating. And being part of the team and working with like brilliant people, the learning and development would just be amazing, and that really motivated me to want to learn more and be better. So yeah, it was just amazing.
Nice. So not just the people and the culture, but also the scope of work, like the challenges
Yeah.
that you got to face and the types of projects that you got to work on and so on.
Yeah. The projects were really nice. I mean, I got to work with a lot of new tech, like you using Google Cloud and AWS, and that was really interesting. Like building some of those data pipelines, and I guess it was challenging and stimulating, but you were learning a lot. So that was really nice.
Awesome, thank you. Okay, and then I'm not sure exactly when you were with Teraflow and whether this is a conversation that you were exposed to, but the employee value proposition, the promise that Teraflow makes its team members now is that Teraflow will be a platform from which our team members can leverage themselves. And the promise is that you will double your market value within 2 years, whether that be, in dollars and cents, or potentially the types of exposure that you got to technologies, or whatever it is that you consider to be valuable for yourself. Do you feel like Teraflow delivered on that promise to you?
No, definitely. From before joining Teraflow, I was pretty much in an audit firm, and I was in the analytics space, but we were doing a lot of like SQL coding, and I guess we were using it was very more BI related, which I guess for me was good at the time because I was getting to use, coming from an engineering background, getting to get into data. It was a nice stepping stone into data analytics and being able to use that. But then when I got to Teraflow, I got to use a lot more, be involved in a lot more data engineering principles. So using CI/CD pipelines, using a lot of the data engineering concepts that I wouldn't have had the opportunity at my previous company, and also using upcoming tech. So using Google Cloud and AWS, and that definitely like just being able to work on those platforms and get exposure and learn on those platforms definitely helped me as a stepping stone to my current role. So I definitely feel that has been the case for Teraflow.
Amazing. Okay, and then the final question is just to tell us more about what you were just talking about, which is what have you gone on to do now?
So I'm currently a lead business consultant at a smaller consulting company. They call BSG. And basically, I'm involved in a bit of the strategy components of the business, as well as being technical lead on some of the data engineering projects. So here, I basically we're still using AWS and some of those platforms, and trying to help clients build their data platforms using cloud, and basically being able to lead teams as well. So that's definitely. So I think Teraflow has definitely given me that stepping stone to then to enable me in my current role.
Fantastic. And that's that. That was so easy. Well, I really, really appreciate your time.